So, from the storm, well, yes, we got another storm yesterday, around 5 or 6 o'clock last night, and look at this. Focus, come on. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, the water is really close to us. Oh, we're spilling. We're spilling out, I meant. Sorry about that. So we got a storm 2 nights ago, and now we got a storm yesterday evening. Yeah. And we had another flash flood warning in effect as well. And it said that we were supposed to get an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 90 minutes, is what they said yesterday, which is not helping at all because, well, as of right now, we currently have some flooding going on in the area, and yeah. Whoa, watch out, big girl. What the fuck? Couldn't get the door open there. Walked right into the door as I was opening it. Sorry about that. A little kid yelling. Sorry about it, big girl. Well, like they say, be smart, turn around and don't drown. Anyway, talking about the topic of weather. Yeah, as you can probably tell, have a situation with the dishwasher now. I mean, first it was the sink. As such, and well, I'm gonna show you what it's like in there. And for those of you who might oh god, sorry about that. For those of you who do not want to see it, look away or skip ahead a few seconds. You will see what the hell it's all about. Yeah. Oh. Pull this out. Yeah, all that is water back there. All of it. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh. Hold on a minute. Oh, sorry about that. And I got no clue why the hell it's doing that. I mean, I know why the sink is doing this. As you can see, it's barely even going down. And oh, sorry about that. And that's because of the garbage disposal, which is right down here. And the problem with the dishwasher here as well, I honestly have no clue. I mean, I know a lot about cars, but I barely know anything about household appliances, but I do know a shit ton about cars. So yeah. But nothing with household appliances. Well, I know some things, but some things is, I barely know anything household appliances, is what I'm trying to say, getting ahead of myself. I apologize about that. Alright, also, I just realized something. Didn't explain on why the hell we have some, washcloths and towels down here. Well, the reason why this is down here is because it's leaking out. Can't speak today. Yeah, it's leaking out. That's why we have some towels and shit down there. I mean, can't catch a fucking break. I mean, we'll probably have to pay like $100 to get the fucking sink fixed. And now, the dishwasher. I mean, everything is going wrong, or everything that could go wrong is going wrong. I mean, we're gonna have to get fucking voodoo out here. I mean, it's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, decisions. Yeah, why not? Well, to make that, I'm obviously gonna need a plate. Hold on a minute. Ah, fuck. No place, which means Whoa. The fuck was that? I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Back into this disgusting dishwasher. Ooh, see, I almost just dropped the plate there. God, oh fucking mighty. Alright, here we go. See if I can open it with one hand. Anyway, if I can. Well, almost. So I needed two hands to take these out of the wrappers. Three minutes and 45 seconds. That's convenient. And there you go. Watching hold on a minute. The Amazing Spiderman 2, and I've never seen this movie before. But I never even heard of it, believe it or not, and it is a really good movie. This is literally my first time watching it. And the food got about 30 more seconds left. 3, 2, 1, 0. How'd I know? How did I fucking know? Must be a wizard. Oh shit! Fuck! Should probably let these cool down a little bit. I'm a little bit, I mean a lot. Just barely got them there. Holy shit. I'm trying to see if I can find and see the cat right now. Making sure he's not hiding on the other side of, well, making sure he's not hiding out there, and he's not. I just have no clue how the hell animals can survive being out in this 90-degree heat. Seriously. The hell? Oh, apparently someone else is hungry now. Oh, apparently everyone is I guess everyone is hung inside of the house today, I guess. Wow. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today, and maybe one of these days, hopefully tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see, but definitely sometime pretty soon I'll get the PlayStation 4 Slim, and maybe get Grand Theft Auto 5 to go with it too. We'll see about that. And apparently there's a plane now. Really? Can't see shit because of that fucking sun. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Well, it's definitely somewhere in the sky. Well, I hope it is at least. Anyway, that's it for today.